Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss the second part of reasoning section of NCTMCT 2014 paper. And here's the question. So Ravi starts from his house and walks straight towards Keys. After walking 75 meters, so he started from his house. Let this point A represent his house और वो east की तरफ चलना start करते हैं. After walking 75 meters, he turns left and walk 25 meters. यहाँ से वो turn left and 25 meters walk करते हैं. Again he turns left and walks 25 meter. वापस से वो 25 meter left turn लेके walk करते हैं. Again he turns left and walks 25. वापस से जब वो 25 walk करेंगे left turn लेके, तो वो इसी road पर वापस आ जाएंगे. And if this is 25, so this must also be 25 only. And this is point B where he reached finally. Now the question is, how far is he from his house? अब यदि हम house से देखें, तो this distance, ये पूरा distance was 75, out of which this distance was 25. The remaining distance is 50. So the correct answer is option B, that is 50 meters. Next question. Okay, each of the question consists of two words which have a relationship followed by four pair of words. Choose the pair which is related to each other in the same way as the word in the original pair. Now see, the word is given as Sachin Tendulkar is related to cricket. Now as you all know that Sachin Tendulkar is very famous player of cricket. He is very famous player, right? So Sachin Tendulkar ka game is cricket. तो क्या साइना नेहवाल का गेम इज टेनिस? नो. फाइन. साइना नेहवाल का तो बैडमिंटन है. मैरी कॉम का वेट लिफ्टिंग? नो. सुनील छेत्री फुटबॉल? यस, सुनील छेत्री प्लेज फुटबॉल. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. फाइन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. Rajasthan. Now the same way in which Jaipur is related to Rajasthan. Now we know that Jaipur is capital of Rajasthan. Fine. So in the same way, Aizawl is capital of Mizoram. So the correct answer is option A. Moving to next question. India, Asia. Now India is situated in Asia. India lies within Asia, right? So in the same way, Spain lies in Europe. So the correct answer is option C. It is Spain, Europe. Question number 50. Bihu, Assam. So Bihu is dance form practiced in Assam, right? Now in the same way, like Bihu is practiced in Assam, Kuchipudi is practiced in Andhra Pradesh. So the correct answer here is option D, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now a question based on blood relation as well as arrangement. 6 members of a family and the 6 members are GHIJKL. And their professions are accountant, clerk, lawyer, jeweler, doctor and engineer, but not in the same order. Doctor is the grandfather of L. Now see, doctor is the grandfather of L. Now whosoever is the grandfather, he is doctor, and since he is grandfather, तो वो male होंगे, इसलिए मैंने ये block बनाया है. And वो grandfather हैं, तो उनके grandson या granddaughter जो भी होंगे, उनसे 2 generation नीचे आएंगे. He is grandfather of L and L is accountant. Fine. Clerk J is married to G. Now J is married to G. अभी हम इसको इस डायग्राम में कहीं नहीं यूज कर पा रहे हैं, तो मैं साइड में नोट कर लेता हूं. J is married to G and J is clerk. Now who is male, who is female? We don't have any idea as of now. Fine. We know that J is clerk and he is married to G. I, who is a jeweler, is married to lawyer. Now I, who is a jeweler, is married to lawyer. I is a jeweler. ये भी हमने नोट कर लिया. Fine. H is mother of L and K. Now H is mother of L and K. H L की mother है. इसका मतलब L के father से married हैं और ये एक married couple है. H is mother of L and K. तो इनके एक और son या daughter होंगे जो कि K हैं. Fine. उसके बाद information is there are 2 married couples in the family. Now see, one of the married couple was J and G. ठीक है? And the other one is jeweler and lawyer. Now see, out of which देखो J और G में से ये वाला पेयर J और G नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पर तो H है. तो इसका मतलब J और G वाला पेयर ये वाला होगा, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स वाला. और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स वाला यदि ये पेयर होता है तो we know that J cannot be doctor क्योंकि वो तो क्लर्क हैं. तो J यहाँ पर आएंगे, who is a clerk and he is married with G, who is a doctor. So now we know the gender of G as well. G is a male, who is grandparent in the family, है ना, और वो doctor है. Now similarly we can use this information over here. So I is married to lawyer. Now the only option that we have to put I is over here. Now I is married to lawyer, so H must be lawyer, then H is lawyer and I is jeweler. तो ये भी हमने फिल कर लिया है. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं क्या इंफॉर्मेशन बची है. ओके, सो ओनली दिस वाज द इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, दो मैरिड कपल्स है वो हमने यूज कर ही लिया है. देयर आर टू मैरिड कपल्स JG एंड IH. L and K आर देयर सन और डॉटर. अभी इनका जेंडर नहीं पता चला है. व्हाट इज द प्रोफेशन ऑफ K? नाउ सी, accountant we know who is accountant, L is accountant, lawyer we know, jeweler we know, doctor we know, but we don't have any idea about engineer. So K is the only one जो कि बचा हुआ है, and he must be engineer then. So the correct answer to question number 51 is option C, that is engineer. How many male members are there in the family? Now male members we have G who is male, we have I who is male, but we don't have any idea about the gender of L and K. L और K के gender के बारे में कोई idea नहीं है. So we cannot determine the exact number of males in the family. Now how is G related to K? G related to K. So G is grandfather of K. Although we don't know the gender of K, but still G will be grandfather only. The correct answer is option D, that is grandfather. Next question. Now based on Venn diagram, in the following diagram the circle represents college professor. So this circle represents basically college professor. So we can say that A, X, D, Y and X again are college professors. A triangle stands for surgical specialist and the rectangle medical specialist को represent कर रहा है. Now the question is, surgical specialists who are medical specialists but not professor. So basically we are looking for a alphabet which comes under this surgical specialist. So basically which comes under triangle, which comes under rectangle, but that does not comes under this circle. So the correct answer should be, now see, triangle में भी आना चाहिए, rectangle में भी आना चाहिए, पर circle में नहीं आना चाहिए. So the correct answer should be Z. Z triangle में भी आ रहा है, rectangle में भी आ रहा है और circle में नहीं आ रहा है. Here the options are A, B, C, D only. So I think there is some mistake in the options. Fine. So the correct answer to this question is Z. This is question number 54. Answer should be Z. है ना? Surgical specialists who are medical specialists. Surgical specialists who are medical specialists, but not, oh, so this is the mistake. See, this question is repeated. Surgical specialists who are medical specialists, but not professors are represented. So there is a mistake in the question itself. So let's ignore this one. Let's move to question number 55. So the answer is Z, as we have discussed. Z should be the correct answer. Now what does C represent? Now C केवल triangle में आ रहा है और कहीं भी नहीं आ रहा है. So C represents surgical specialist. Fine. Then what does B represent? B देखिए अब कहाँ पे आ रहा है, केवल rectangle में आ रहा है और कहीं पर भी नहीं आ रहा है. तो medical representatives only, right? So the correct answer should be medical specialists who are neither professor nor surgical specialist. Option C is the correct answer. So this was very easy question based on Venn diagram. Okay, now some question based on visual reasoning. Now see, what we need to do is ABC figure का reference लेके we need to find the next figure. Now here we have a hexagon which have 6 sides. Here we have a pentagon which has 5 sides. यहाँ पर square है which have 4 sides. So here we must have some figure which must be having 3 sides. So answer में triangle आएगा. So from this information we can cancel this option and this option. Now we have a confusion between option A and option C. इन दोनों में से क्या होना चाहिए? So see, we have 2 circles here. Then we have got 3 circles. Then 2 circles. So now in this figure 3 circles must be there. है ना? So 3 circles, we have got 3 circles in both A and C. Again, there is a confusion. Fine. Now, see, the inner circle is dark over here. So alternate diagram में भी वो dark होना चाहिए. So from here we can say that the correct answer is option A. Moving to next question. Again based on visual reasoning only. So here we have a pentagon. उसके अंदर triangle है, फिर square है. यहाँ पर triangle, फिर स्क्वायर, फिर पेंटागन है. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली ये 3 फिगर का ही रीअरेंजमेंट होकर यहाँ पर कुछ आया है फिगर. सो हियर वी हैव अ सर्कल, वी हैव अ ट्रेपेजियम एंड वन मोर फिगर लाइक दिस. ठीक है, तो हमें जो यहाँ पर ढूंढना है वो इन तीनों फिगर का ही रीअरेंजमेंट होना चाहिए. सो इफ यू चेक फॉर ऑप्शन ए, सो ऑप्शन ए कंटेन्स दिस ट्रेपेजियम, this semicircle, which is this innermost figure is semicircle basically. Fine. And a circle as well. अंदर ही अंदर सर्किल भी है. तो आपने देखा कि जो यहाँ पर सबसे बाहर था पेंटागन, वो सबसे अंदर चला गया है. तो हमारा जो सर्किल सबसे बाहर है वो सबसे अंदर हो जाना चाहिए. That is common in all the figures. Fine. जो अंदर था वो सेकंड नंबर पे आ गया है. तो जो अंदर था the semicircle, that must come on second number. ठीक है, वो भी सब में आ चुका है. Now the only point that can discriminate is the rotation of the figure. आप देखेंगे बच्चों कि ये रोटेट हुआ है. रोटेट किस तरह से हुआ है? तो ट्राइंगल था वो इस तरह से क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में बाय 90 डिग्री रोटेट हुआ है. तो यदि हम इसको भी रोटेट कर देंगे तो विल गेट ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. फाइन. तो इस तरह से इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन बेस्ड ऑन विजुअल रीजनिंग, एंड दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस 2014 पेपर रीजनिंग सेक्शन, राइट? तो सी ट्राइंगल, उसमें क्या हुआ है, एक एरो था, उसके बाद दो एरो हो गए हैं और एक और लाइन आ गई. नाउ सेम देयर इज स्क्वायर. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या होगा, इसमें भी ये जो दो हैं, जो सर्किल वाला है, ये दो बाहर की साइड हो जाने चाहिए, पॉइंट आउट. ठीक है, और बीच में क्या आ जाना चाहिए, एक एरो आ जाना चाहिए. तो if we check for the options, then we are getting two options as the correct answer, either option A. In fact, all the options are same only. सब में बीच में एरो है और दोनों साइड में इस तरह से है. Now we need to check for some other logic कि जिसके बेसिस पे हम ये आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो देखेंगे हम यहाँ पर. सी, यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि जो फिगर का वो था वो चेंज नहीं हुआ है, डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर भी जो फिगर है उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है ना? तो इस बेसिस पे वी कैन से दैट द करेक्ट आंसर, आप देखेंगे कि ऑप्शन ए में, ये वाला ऑप्शन सी अपन एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें दो ट्राइंगल बाहर की तरफ आ रहे हैं. ये वाला ऑप्शन अपन एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें दो ट्राइंगल्स आ रहे हैं अगेन बाहर की तरफ, जबकि बाहर की तरफ दो सर्किल्स आने चाहिए थे. ठीक है, एंड इफ वी रोटेट दिस फिगर बाय 90 डिग्री इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन ओनली, तो हमें ऑप्शन डी मिल जाएगा. जबकि ए कब मिलेगा, व्हेन वी रोटेट दिस फिगर बाय 90 डिग्री इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, so the correct answer should be option D. So this was about NCHMCT 2014 reasoning section. I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you.